Over the past months, we overhauled our Substance Designer material library in an effort to raise the quality bar even higher. We present the Great Overhaul. One of the biggest hurdles in working with procedural-based materials is that they are often overly complex and hard to use. With that in mind, we spent thousands of man-hours to engineer a new, effective, and easy-to-use approach based on 4 key parameters. Instead of endless material-specific parameters, we focused on what really matters and made sure it's consistent throughout our entire library. Each material behaves in the same exact way across the library. No surprises, no endless tweaking of parameters, just lightning fast and top quality results. Our new material library with over 150 materials is available on Textures.com right now. And now you can pay with crypto. For the professionals looking for even more control, our SBS source files are available at an on-demand basis. Art just got better.